Hello, my friends. So, for our read aloud today, I thought I would read Splat the Cat. It's Splat's first day of school, and he's worried. And I just wanted to say that I loved Michaela's pink hair so much that I wanted some of my own. I hope you think it looks cool. Okay, ready to start the story. It was early in the morning, and Splat was wide awake. Today was his first day at cat school, and his tail wiggled wildly with worry. If I hide from the day, maybe it'll go away, he thought. It didn't go away. Time to get up, said his mom. Time to get dressed, said his mom. I don't have any clean socks, Mom. Maybe I should go to school tomorrow instead, said Splat. You don't wear socks, said his mom. I'm having a bad hair day, Mom. Maybe I should go to school tomorrow instead, said Splat. His mom combed his hair. Perfect, she said. Don't forget your lunchbox, said his mom. I'll need a friend today, thought Splat. And he dropped his pet mouse, Seymour, in his lunchbox. Time to go, said his mom. The front door won't let me out, Mom. You see how he's just not getting out? The gate won't let go of my fingers, Mom. What's he doing there? The lamppost won't get out of my way, Mom. What's he doing here? You can ride your bike if you like, Splat, said his mom. So he did, but he didn't say a single word. Welcome to cat school, said a big round cat. I'm Mrs. Wimpy Dimple, your teacher. Splat's mom gave him a hug. I'll be back soon, she said. You'll be fine. Everyone, this is Splat. Let's welcome him into our class, said Mrs. Wimpy Dimple. Hi, Splat! Mrs. Wimpy Dimple began. Cats are amazing, she said. We're clever, cunning, and quick. I am amazing too? Asked Splat. Yes, you too, said Mrs. Wimpy Dimple. Cats climb trees, drink milk, and chase mice, she continued. Why do we chase mice? Asked Splat. It's what we do, replied Mrs. Wimpy Dimple. Why? Asked Splat. Because. Why? Why? Mrs. Wimpy Dimple sighed. Lunchtime, she announced. Splat opened up his lunchbox. Mouse! The cats did what cats do. Uh-oh, what do you think the cats did? Let's see. Seymour hid behind a glass bottle, and when the cats saw his face through the glass, they screamed and ran away. Ah! Seymour did what all mice do. Stop! Cried Splat. Splat! They didn't stop. Enough! Mrs. Wimpy Dimple said, and it ended. It's milk time. Hooray! But the door to the milk cupboard was stuck. No milk today, announced Mrs. Wimpy Dimple. Ah! Splat whispered into Seymour's ear. Seymour nodded, and then, a moment later, the door swung open. Who opened the door for them? Yum! Mrs. Wimpy Dimple wrote again on the chalkboard. Cats don't chase mice. Hooray! Cheered the class. Soon it was home time. Splat's mom returned and gave him a hug. I've got lots of friends. Cats don't chase mice. I'm amazing. It was early the next morning, and Splat was wide awake. Today was the second day at cat school, and his tail wiggled wildly with excitement. The end. So you can see that Splat was really feeling how? How do you think he was feeling before he started school? Independent thinking. Maybe he was feeling scared or nervous and maybe just unsure. He didn't know what to expect. And then how did he feel after he finished his first day? I think he felt great. He felt happy that he had friends and he loved that he learned he was amazing. So Splat was amazing and you all are amazing and I hope you have a wonderful day.